Welcome to a short video from Cambridge Car Audio. Just like to demonstrate this VW Golf GTI that we've been working on today. So this installation has all been carried out in-house and all within one day by one of our engineers. So what the vehicle has had is front speaker upgrade with also sound deadening on those doors. Also radio head unit, so a Kenwood radio has been installed. A rear speakers component set, a coaxial set, sorry, and also a sub and an amp. So I'd just like to guide you through a bit through the install. So in the back here, you can see the sub that's been mounted on the right hand side panel here, so still allowing for maximum amount of boot room, and that's actually been secured in there, so even if the vehicle is taken at a harsh corner, that doesn't move. You've got your Kenwood radio there, and also the speaker boxes for the Dieci range that are in the front, that's a component set, and the coaxial set for the rear. And then in this panel here, we mounted the Pheonix Gold amp in there. We've made a support for that as well, and then you can also see our plaque on there as well, and that's the engineer who has been working on this install. So that's all tucked away in there, and now if we come round to the front of the vehicle, as you can see on the door cards, it doesn't look like anything's been touched. They're factory grills and factory grills on the tweeter as well, completely hidden, but incredible sound quality. So in here, just like to guide you through a bit about the installation of the radio. So this radio gives you features like digital radio, Spotify streaming, Bluetooth audio, as well as your normal Bluetooth hands-free. So also this particular head unit gives you access to Android Auto. So if you are using an Android phone, you can plug in, and we've also run a cable into here so you can plug in straight away into there. We're using a DAB film antenna, which comes with the Kenwood radio on there, and this has all been installed in one day. If you do have anything like this that you're looking to upgrade in your vehicle, we really do focus in on covert installs, so something that's not really visible at all. Please do give us a call. Our contact number is 01223 56 30 30, or just search online for Cambridge Car Audio. Thank you very much for watching.